ahead and just let you know, man. All them T-handles, I done slapped them on. This thing ready to go. Look at this thing. Well, it's a good day out here. All right, so I've kind of kicked it off early. I'm already moving around, already kind of start messing with it. I apologize, I got my camera out earlier. But the progress technically hasn't started yet. Let me show y'all what I'm doing right now. So, we all know in my closet, you know, I got, well, some of y'all know, I think I only mentioned it once. Let me turn this fan on. So in my closet, this fan loud as hell. In my closet, I've been looking for a dresser to go in my closet because I got clothes on the floor since I moved in here because I don't got space to put everywhere and I don't have the storage that I want and I don't want to get nothing quick and rinky-dink, you know what I'm saying? So I've been looking for a nice dresser, like to buy for at a good, decent price. You know, I didn't need nothing super serious, but I wanted something with a nice look, definitely nice. And I knew I was gonna probably have to modify it to make it the way I want because I needed to have a certain look. And I needed it to be white at the end of the day. So I ended up finding this dresser. Once I located it, once I figured out what it was, I just waited for the deal to pop up on, I've been looking on Facebook Marketplace. Well, so ended up seeing two of them pop back up. I think Ashley makes this, but look, this is the actual, let me show you how this information. Really don't matter, he's selling. Well, this is the actual dresser, and that's the retail price of it. So we can zoom in on it a little bit. Well, I got the dresser, I got the guy to deliver it, and that's actually a different list, and that's one of the other listers I was trying to contact, but he wasn't responding. Well, I got the dresser here. The guy wanted $750 for it originally, so I got him down to $700, and then when he showed up with it, because I got him to deliver it too, I'll constantly negotiate, you know, but so I got him to deliver the dresser here, and when it showed up, I inspected for things that wasn't noted and wasn't in the pictures, and I got him down. Got him down. Mainly, I was negotiating with his wife, was the one that really wanted to be all the bargain making. Well, I got it down to $670, and that was mainly because when it showed up, they had this. The paint had got pulled off from rubbing, abrasions, and possibly tape, I'm not sure. Well, this is the dresser. Look, let me cut these lights on in here so y'all can see some better lighting in here. So this is the dresser. These are the drawers. I done pulled them out already. All of this is gonna be white. Pretty white. So we're gonna paint all of this. You gotta clean all of this out. Look. Some of this dusty. Oh, that's just the stain. All of that wasn't clear coated. Yeah, I'm gonna paint all of this white. I taped the top off already. I actually gotta get my razor blade, and I'm gonna go under and cut a line right there and peel that extra little layer of tape off, so I better get that white all the way up to the top. This is like a granite countertop on it, or a faux granite countertop, whatever. It's not really a real granite, but I mean, it's beautiful. Exactly what I imagined. That's kind of look I was going for. Also, pull the drawers out, tape the top up. Then we got the mirror. I pulled the mirror out already, but this is the front plate for this is the back mirror. I took the mirror out all already. Basically, they had like 30 screws around the frame perimeter. Popped it out, now I slid it over there out of the way. It's kind of tucked away next to my part toolbox. I love this thing. Anyway, so now I'm gonna go ahead, you know, making sure everything prepped. Not really worried that much about the back. Just trying to make sure I can wrap the edges good. Make sure I get all the base good. I'm gonna lay it on this back, and I'm gonna go around and I'm gonna paint this mug good. Paint these little brackets, which really don't do me nothing because they're on the back too. And all of this, man, it's gonna be nice little cool little quick project. Don't take long. I wonder how this come off, man. They don't got no screws. Might have to just pry it up and pop it back on with some glue or something. But yeah, I'm gonna clean it off, wipe it down real good, put some acetone on there on a rag, or denatured alcohol, and give it a nice clean wipe to get all the oils off. And I'm gonna brush, probably gonna brush the edges. You know what, I might spray them. That's a way I could do it. Spray without putting too much overspray on the drawers. Basically, get my spray gun and getting at an angle and hitting it away. Probably do better than they did with the brush or whatever they did. They dipped it. I don't know what they did originally from the factory. But yeah, that's what we got going. Now eye level now. When you look up under here, man, I could have did a little bit on my tape job. Get you a nice clean razor. Always go work my way out and start it off. Cut that line. Put all of that trim, all of that paper, that tape. I just did what I said I don't do. I always start off going the opposite way to get you started. And then once I get it going, this little ridge messing me up. But yeah. So cut that. Cut that up. Cut that out with some scissors. But basically just cut a nice little thin line between love and hate. But yeah, cut this junk, remove this little ugly little piece. And I'm gonna tighten it up. I'm trying to do this with one hand with the camera, but that's what you want right there. That little thin line between love and hate. You want that little junk cut off. That way you overspray. Don't freaking you don't want to get up under and hit too much of the bottom, even though it's on the bottom lip. But you mainly want this piece of wood to be exposed because you want your white to create a nice, beautiful line. And even though I'm spraying it, probably gonna take a brush and just edge that line up, because lines and edges are the biggest thing when it comes to aesthetics and how things look. Edges, lines. It don't matter if we're talking about painting, drawing, designing, yard, trimming, houses, homes, whatever. Your edges and your lines is what makes the best look. Precise, defined lines make the best look in the outcome on how things look. Of course, unless it's a drawing or painting or something, then it's left with intent to not have clear lines and blurred lines, you know. But for the most part, clean lines, clean edges. And that's what we're working on. So we get all this cleaned up, and then when we get that done, then I'm gonna start working on the cleaning and sanding down, putting a little scuff with some Scotch-Brite on all the flat, clean, smooth surfaces so the paint can adhere. Okay, so we're back today, just to catch y'all up on one step that I missed, and mostly are done with now. God dang, I done put that. Anyway, so what I did was I got Scotch-Brite, and I Scotch-Brite the entire surface. Edges, corners, ends, out, seams, edges, all the above. That's done. Also did that over here. Same thing. You see this white? That's the previous coat or whatever, what you call that junk, the stuff to make it like the polyurethane. That's the denatured alcohol making that white chap look like that. So that's no big deal, because I use denatured alcohol on this rag right here to wipe off all the dust and oils that made it making it stick. So now, what are we doing now? We're on to the paint stage. So I've already started, got the chalk paint, and literally I'm about to put a dust coat on. You see I'm working on the bottom right now. Air compressor just cut on, and I'm gonna work my way around the whole thing, hitting all the edges and grooves, and then I'll work my way around the edges of the drawers and get the sides and stuff of the drawers. And then the last step After I get the edges good on all of this stuff, I'm gonna put the drawers in, and I'm gonna hit it with a heavy coat all around the whole front and everything. That way everything will be coated. So that's where we at right now. Man, look at this. This chalk white came out so good. You can still almost see that little faux marble, fake marble stuff that they have on the countertop kind of coming through. But this paint coated very, very well. Very happy with how it came out. Now onto the coating of the wax. If I can find where I put, oh, there it go. I gotta put the wax on to coat and seal and have a nice protective finish on the dresser and that. I wish I had some spray on wax. I ain't gonna lie, cause it's I'm not trying to fun getting all these little grooves. See this right here, I'm gonna have to use a brush because getting those grooves gonna take some work and working it in. You know, even these little mild cracks, that working in. So I wish it was spray on like a thinner coat of wax. I got to spray it on. Look at this. Everything came out well, man. Look, a little bug got in. See, last night when I was finishing all of this painting, my kids want to be out at night at like 7:30 in the driveway playing. They don't never be out like that, but since I was out here, they want to be out. So I kept my garage door open because I want to have, you know, be able to see them like most responsible parents, to those who understand. And as I was keeping that garage door open, my shop door or whatever, bugs was coming all in here, man. So ended up letting a bunch of bugs in. And of course they got in the paint. Where's that brush? Now I see another one. Just now, I'm losing her head. There we go. There go another one. I just saw. Bug right here. Yeah. So I'm gonna touch up these little spots. Those bugs kind of destroyed my paint, but for the most part, we good, baby. Handles, man. Sound like a goatee. Anyway, look at that, man. Ooh, what is about to be off the chain, boy. Them little gold handles got it cracking. Hell yeah! And with that, we go ahead and just let you know, man. All of the T handles that I slapped them on. This thing ready to go. Look at this thing, baby. Ooh.